Hello, crochet friends. How good to see you. So it's been a bit of a rough week this week, as it often is, and I'm sure it happens to you too. But guess what? Beginners Stage 2 crochet is finally here. Oh my goodness, it has taken me forever, but it's finally here. Anyway, more about that towards the end of the video and how you can take the course for free. So, what have I been working on over these last couple of weeks? Well, that's what I wanted to show you. So, if you can see back there is my crochet scarf. It is now. It was meant to be a shrug. So, the shrug from the Tunisian crochet, the Japanese way, that is what it is supposed to look like. But because it was my own yarn, my first yarn that I have spun on Grandma's spinning wheel, it's my first yarn I've spun. So it was thick and thin, which makes it cool and trendy in my opinion. But it also didn't have as much yarn as I was hoping. So that is all the yarn I had to make it. And I'm actually really pleased with how it's turned out. It looks really cool, I think. And I will definitely be wearing that. But one thing I'm now making to go with it is a bag. So I'm now making my own bag. I wanted to make like a messenger type of bag, but it hasn't worked out quite the size of a messenger bag, but it's definitely big enough for me because it's big enough just to put my wallet in. Actually, I want to make myself a new wallet too, but let's put that on the back burner for now. So it's going to have like a flap over the top of this one so that I can put like a little toggle, close it up. Yeah. It'll be a crossbody bag still, but it's just going to have a bit more room in it and something I can take everywhere. So I'm really excited. That is what I'm working on at the moment and super exciting. Now, my Martha doll has gone to Element Co. over in Ipswich, and she is now looking for her forever home. So if you're ever over there in Ipswich and going to Element Co., just bear in mind she's there and she'd like to say hi. And next, what I'm doing is making another doll. I'm going to create a crochet pattern. So the crochet pattern will eventually be for sale on my website, and we will have a story about JL. Oh, did I tell you? JL is the next doll I'm making. And she will be also going down to Element Co. after Martha sells, after Martha finds her forever home. Sorry, oopsies. Anyway, yeah, so stay tuned for that one. All right, now more about the crossbody bag class. So this is the crossbody bag that I made for the class to teach you how to make it. The one at the back on that side is the one I use a lot now. And when I finish my new bag, that will be the one I use a lot. But anyway, so I use them all. I love bags. It's just fun. And back to this bag. It is now available on Skillshare. And the link will be down in the description for you. And with that link, you will get 1 month of free Skillshare to take the class. So you will know how to make your own crossbody bag. You'll know how to do the edging. You'll know how to do the lining, the whole bit. It's made in less than 15 minute stages. So even if you just want to do a little bit each day, it's totally designed to do it easy little bits at a time so that you can fit crochet into your everyday life, and you can eventually make your crossbody bag. It doesn't take long. It really doesn't take that long. It's just a matter of making the squares Depending on your tension though, if your tension is tighter than mine, you may need to do an extra round of granny square. Just bear that in mind. Otherwise it won't work out as big as mine. But it depends. If you want to make it bigger, you can just pull more granny squares together, sew it together however you want to make it. It's totally customizable for you. So you will learn treble crochet, working in the round, how to make a general granny square, how to change colors, and also how to line your bag so it looks professional. And it also stops your keys falling out or your lip balm or whatever you've put in there. You don't want those falling through your granny squares. So jump on down onto the link and go take the course for free. You have a month to complete your bag. And you also have access to thousands of other courses, some wonderful courses there on Skillshare. So jump on over and have a look. I have my crochet and knitting yarn meetup tomorrow. If you're around, bearing in mind, it's on every month and it's on my website. So just click on my website to have a look at the dates the next one's on. It's roughly the 3rd or 4th Friday of the month. So it is a Friday morning. But if you're around and you would like to come and join in, please do. Just send me an email, or you can even just reply on here. Just send me a message on YouTube and let me know that you're coming, because I have to make sure there's enough room for everyone who wants to come. So just let me know if you want to come and we can fit you in, no problems at all. Doesn't matter what skill level you're at. Come spend a couple of hours chatting, making friends, making some pretty crochet or knitting or embroidery, whatever your thing is. And I would love to see you there. So that's it for today, guys, and I shall catch up with you soon. Bye.